Grandiose is all about being exaggerated and imposing. The collection focuses mainly on structural sleeve outfits. Taking inspiration from the architectural lotus building, I have designed a structural sleeve of origami lotus flower.
To create an extraordinary look, I am playing with pleats and puffs using glass tissue and suede to create a prominent sleeve in my garment.
My inspiration is Zaha Hadid architecture. She is a futuristic designer with a lot of cascade.